Yo, it's your boy Jizo back with another video. Y'all see the ring? Is it the ring or not? Back with another video, and today, one more time for you haters, man. And today. Alright, so again, this is for both channels now. So she'll have a lot of videos on my new channel as well. Don't forget to subscribe to Too Much Tech for me. If you're on That Guy Jizo, and if you're on the Too Much Tech channel, don't forget to subscribe to That Guy Jizo. Alright, so I picked up something. I told you guys in the last video that I had an S Pen on the way. So let me open it. That's the S Pen right there, guys. Let's see what the name of it is. It's not from Samsung. No. It's definitely not from Samsung. Okay. Everything seems to be good. I dropped my phone. Everything seems to be good. I dropped my phone. Everything's good. Alright. Let me see what the name of this was. The name of the S Pen. Let's go. Delivered today. Boom. S Pen. Man, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Cotagale, whatever the hell this shit say, man. Make sure my information ain't on here. Boom, here you go. Everything that you need to know. Now, things to know. This is not the Samsung S Pen, guys. This is not the Samsung S Pen. It says it's compatible, it works, and I believe them. Does not work on the front screen. It was a lot of bad reviews, and most of the reviews said it doesn't work on the front screen, but it works in the middle screen. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's what the regular S Pen does. I'm not too sure, but that's what I got from it. So let's go ahead, open it. Oh, and the price is $20. What is it? Yeah, 19. It said 1912. That's how much they're charging for it. And they have black, yellow, and a pink or peach color. Peach, yellow, and black. I think I got the black one, hopefully. Hopefully I got the black one. Let's close this. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open it up. See what's in here. Alright, there we go. I got it. Okay, so that's how it came. I don't know what this is. You guys tell me in the comments, what is this? Here's the pen. Let me open the pen up. I done shook the jank. Now the regular S Pen for the Z Fold is not like the other S Pen, right? So doesn't have Bluetooth functionality. None of that. This one got a button, so I don't know. Let's check it out. Let's see if it works with the phone. Let's put this stuff to the side. Okay, let's open the phone. Let me make sure I ain't got nothing. No. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it actually works with the phone. So we can see that. Now, I'm gonna have to get a new case now, guys. So it says, what am I missing? Hold on, guys. I'm missing something. Turn simple something to art. Okay. So let's see. Oh, I got you. I see what's going on here. Ah, okay. So let me see if I can show you guys. Dang, I hit the wrong one. So if I hit this, all this stuff come up. You see that? Let's do sketch the image. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, let me go back. Let me hit the back button. Okay. Let's see. Sketch the image. Scribble, scrabble. So we draw a head. I don't know. There's something about right here. I guess because it's not full screen. Can you go full screen on it? But hey, let's do generate. So we know this works. We know this works. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Let's do pop art. So the pen actually works, guys. $20. You don't have to pay the $50. And I'm pretty sure there's no other features that's missing. I might put this on the wall, man. That ain't tough. I might put that on the wall. Let me go and say that. Let me go ahead and say that, man. I can't see. Save. Boom. Did I save it? Yep. Image saved. You see it? Alright. So, boom. That's cool. Now, let's go. Okay. Let's find an article or something, man. Let's find an article. My bad, y'all. Alright, 50 Cent suing. You see that? 50 Cent suing. It's an article, guys. So, boom. Let's do Smart Select. Smart Select. Let's go ahead. Boom. Let's go ahead and do that. What's the options? My bad. Sketch to image. Add to notes. Do they got more? Let's see what they got more. Edit. I could edit. Let's do the sketch to image. See what happens right here, man. Sketch the image. Oh, okay. Let's go back. Hit the back button. Let's draw some glasses on them. All right. So let's generate. I drew it too close together. Okay, I got what you're saying. I think that's what that's it. Now I hit generate and see what happens. And it drew glasses on the guy, man. It drew glasses on him. So, shouts out to them, man. Shouts out to them. Now 50 don't sue me, man. I was just what's the name? And that's all, man. Create notes. Screenwrite. Create notes. Create notes. They had black. We want to do white. Okay, let's go back. Let's hit back. Yeah, it had it as white. So let's put it. So there you go. You know what I mean? Like, this pen works perfectly. $20 pen, $19. Pen came, is a little thin. Now I might have to get a new case because I really don't have a spot for it. I thought this piece would be the spot for it, but I don't think that would work. No, I don't think that's going to work. So, y'all guys leave it in the comments. Did we miss a feature? We might have missed a feature. Hold on, let's see. Oh yeah, that's the right way. Let's see. Screenwrite. So we took a picture of that and okay. So Screenwrite. Boom. Yeah. This is top tier pen, and yeah. That's it. That's the end of this video. I'm out.